Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Nalini. This video is all about printers. So I get many DMs asking for what kind of printer I should be using for right brain education and what will be most cost effective and what printer that I use. So all those answers are available in this video. Please don't skip this video and watch the video fully to understand more about printers and what printer I use. Check the link in description below to find the links to all the printers that I am going to discuss in this video. Please subscribe to Nalini Zinu channel if you have not yet subscribed for more right brain education videos. So there are multiple types of printers available in the market. Some of them are inkjet printers, ink tank printers and laser printers. Each category of printers have their own performance. Depending on the usage, whether you are using it for home usage or office usage or enterprise usage, you can select the printer that you want to buy. Like how we have different types of printers, we also have multiple brands who sell printers. Out of that, Canon, HP, Epson, Brother are all very good printers. Let's first discuss about the DeskJet printer or inkjet printers. So I have taken an example of HP inkjet printers available in Amazon. Inkjet printers use ink cartridges, and you can see that the price of this kind of printers is just around 5,000 or 6,000. Apart from looking at the overall cost of the printer, the main thing that you have to look into a printer is the efficiency of the ink cartridges. For example, if you see in this printer, the ink cartridge that you will be using will have a cost per page of 6 rupees for a black and white print, and it will take 8 rupees per color print. So what does that mean is when you put a new ink cartridge, the overall cost per page amount is coming to rupees 6 for a black and white printout and rupees 8 for a color printout, which means that it is not very cost effective in a long run. You may see that the printer cost is very less, only around 4,000 or 5,000, but when you see in the terms of number of printouts that you are going to take, it is going to cost you the same as any shop. If you are someone who will not use your printer very often and you will be taking only a minimum number of printouts, then this is a right printer for you. Now let's discuss about the ink tank printers. The ink cartridges of an ink tank printer is split into 3 different holes where you can pour the inks of each of the color in its respective color tank. That is why it is called as ink tank printers. So whenever a particular color is over, you can just buy that particular color and you can pour according to that. Here is an example of one ink tank printer. This is Canon G3000. You can see that the cost per print was coming to 8 paise for a black and white printout and 21 paise for a color printout. So every time when you fill the ink tank, this is the amount of printouts that you will be yielding from this printer. That is the reason why this kind of printer is cost high, around 14,000 to 15,000. Even though the investment in this printer is high, we will be getting a lot of printouts. This is one of the most cost effective printer in terms of the overall printouts and also in the first time investment. In case if you are looking for a printer for a regular usage, you can check out this. This is especially if you want to take more color printouts where you will have to spend at least 8 rupees to 10 rupees in shops, but this will yield a lot of printouts with a very minimal cost. So I think if you are regularly want to use the printer for color printouts, you can definitely go for this. I have this Canon G3000 and its performance is really good. The only thing that I feel as a con is you have to regularly use this printer, otherwise the ink tanks will get the nozzles will get dried out. So it is recommended to use the printer, switch it on and take at least one print every week. In case if you fail to do that and if you don't use the printer for more than a month or so, the nozzles will get dried up and it will need a service. So keep that in mind as well. The next category of printers that we are going to see is laser printer. This is for an enterprise use or office use where you will be required to take a lot of printouts. This is more costly and it is definitely not required for a home usage. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful. Please do share it with your friends also. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.